Well, actually, it is like a mini version of a facelift surgery, but this time it's really non-invasive, but it's supposed to lift it up.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kaycee Reyes. You can call me Doc Kaycee. I'm a skin doctor, preventive medicine practitioner, and the founder of Luminisce. Aging is a gradual, continuous process of natural change that begins in the early 20s. As I mentioned before, aging attributes to 60% genetic and lifestyle, while 40% is intrinsic aging, which is inevitable. That's why aesthetic medicine will never go out of style. In our previous episode, we discussed nasolabial folds where we used the Happy Lift free-floating thread. Please see the link for more detailed information about this thread. Today, in this episode of Skin Vesting, we invited again our very dear patient Margarita, who will be doing the mid-cheek thread using the PCL threads, which is an alternative to facelift surgery. This is just one of our interesting episodes, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to see more of our content.
Hi, I'm here for another procedure. It's called the cheeks thread lift. I decided when 6 months ago, as I was putting my blush, it looks like it needs a little lift. So that's when I thought of Dr. Kaycee again. And this time it's going to be the cheeks thread lift. So I found out about this cheek thread lift from Dr. Kaycee herself. No? She told me that I can use a little lifting on my cheeks. So I said, okay, let's go ahead and try it. Yes, you have to. Because when you do something to make yourself feel young, and that is by trying to look good, your overall appearance, it will manifest from inside out. So when you feel young, you look young, you feel good about yourself. I'm sure Doc Kaycee would not recommend it if I don't need it. And if this is going to make me look better, I would definitely feel better then about myself. To be honest, I have no idea of the process. I'm just trusting it all to Dr. Kaycee because she knows best. I feel confident that she will do a good job because she's very hands-on. All the procedures in her clinic are done by her. So I'm confident that she will do a good job.
Skin laxity or sagging or drooping of the cheek is part of aging. These changes is caused by several factors. Number 1, bone resorption. As we age, bone degradation starts as we are exposed to pollution, stress, mechanical wear and tear of the ligaments and muscles that accelerates bone breakdown. Second, a reduction of the fats under the skin or subcutaneous tissue that supports the superficial fat pads, especially the lateral area of the face that support the mid-face. As the fat pads are depleted in the lateral area, we develop fats more centrally, especially in the nasolabial fold and marionette lines that might create a bulldog appearance. Third, loss of collagen and elastin fibers in the dermis reduces cutaneous strength and elasticity. Then the skin can sag, looking hollow and wrinkled due to the loss of fullness. Fourth, gravitational changes due to loss of elasticity, which allows the lax tissue to sag. Fifth, development of fine lines caused by repetitive muscle movements in the face. Such alteration results in deepening nasolabial folds and jowl formation. Traditional rejuvenation techniques include chemical peels, laser resurfacing, energy-based device for lifting such as Othera and Thermage, injection of dermal fillers, botulinum toxin, and even surgery. Nowadays, patients are not ready for surgical incisions and long downtime. That is why thread lift procedure have been in the market for a long time now. Made of resorbable PCL threads, these PCL have barbs that could be inserted subcutaneously that can lift sagging areas and improve contours of the face, especially of most patients. Side effects are minor and can be corrected like bruising, swelling, and discomfort with proper injection technique. All threads were injected subcutaneously using 1% lidocaine local anesthetic with epinephrine injected into the insertion points. Once the threads were inserted into the tissue, the end of the thread was trimmed and antibiotic ointment applied to the insertion points. The procedure was performed in less than 30 minutes and was well tolerated by Miss Margarita. Mild swelling at the insertion points and general treatment area resolved completely within 7 days without intervention. Advantages of PCL thread lifts include minimal invasiveness, short downtime, and nearly invisible scarring. It requires no deep fixation or knots. Instead, they lift tissue with barbs along the length of each thread. It is available in different lengths and sizes depending on the target area of the face or body. The PCL threads are loaded into a cannula. Once inserted, the thread is placed into position and the cannula removed. They are indicated for patients who want to achieve improvement of jowls with mild to moderate sagging without surgery. Since PCL threads address volume descent and sagging, the patient requires less filler when he or she has a thread lift as well. This is because injectable fillers alone cannot leave tissues. They address only volume loss. Threads are useful for lifting up the cheeks when they are over-volumized as a result of injected fillers. If proper thread lift technique is not used, minor complications such as bruising, hematoma, and irregularity may occur. PCL threads last 12 to 24 months depending on the degree of sagging. Also, there's an increase in collagen and elastin concentration in the skin during this time. For Margarita, we aim to recover the 3 prominent arc to have that youthful face. For this episode, we focus on her lateral cheek projection, which is the OG curve, that can help to improve also a little on her jawline and to balance the distribution of the deep and superficial fats. That's why threads, fillers, and Ulthera X are my first choice to rebuild the foundation of the face. Combining different anti-aging procedures in a harmonious way requires experience and technique. That's why it is very important to properly plan for your treatments so we can achieve the natural looking results that we desire. I hope you guys learned a little something from this episode of Skin Vesting. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell if you want to learn more from me and from Luminisce.